Actually, every time, because I'm always calling you guys when I'm in a pickle, so to say. My company, I feel like, is unique because there's a story behind it. My mom actually passed away in 2009, hence the name. People always ask me, "Wow, how did you get that name?" The company is 10 Strong Truck, and it's just like a symbol for my mom, and it really means a lot to me. It's very personal, you know. As far as like clientele, I usually haul mostly CarMax cars, you know, from Houston to Dallas. Majority of the time I'm working for CarMax, and I feel like that's pretty cool to just be just now starting and working for someone as big as CarMax. I had a couple buddies actually that started before me, and I was already interested in it. I used to talk to them about it. So, you know, when they started doing it, I just went with them a few times, and I was like, you know, I can actually see myself doing this, and I just made it happen. I have a 2020 F350 Super Duty, and I have a Kaufman Mini 5 car hauler. Outside of car hauling, I'm an active father. I just like to be around my kids, you know. That's really the main reason that I became an owner-operator, is to like be able to flex my own schedule. You know, if something comes up, I can be there at the drop of a dime for my family, for my kids. For the most part, like, I can count on you guys to know exactly what I need, because I'm still new, but you guys have been doing this for a long time. So you know exactly, like, you guys know what, like, if I don't know the name of a part, I'd be like, what is this? I send Jose, he'd be like, okay, that's that, and you need this, and I'm like, okay, that's all I need? He's like, nah, you also need that to go with it. So it's just very helpful. The people here are extremely friendly, and you know, they always take care of me, and they be like, you know, you got a warranty on this part, or, you know, just come back if you need us more, you know. Actually, every time, because I'm always calling you guys when I'm in a pickle, so to say. Just like the other day, I had a rotor break off, and Jose was like, man, you know, if you need me, I can bring it to you. And he actually ended up, you know, making that happen for me. So it was quick. You know, he was like, and he actually showed and told me what I needed to do and how I needed to do it. And when I bought it, he had already pre-packed. He pre-packed it for me. So I didn't have to grease it up or anything. I literally just had to, you know, jack my truck up and put it on and put the screws in. So that was pretty good for me.